Aaron got a new baby today. This is the baby. This is Aaron. Give me the baby.
We're videotaping Aaron.
Can I have the baby back, Aaron? Aaron, can I see that baby? Can I see that baby? Can I see it?
Growling.
Oh, but it's such a nice baby. Can I see the baby? It squeaks. I didn't know it growled too. Can I see it? Is that your baby? Is that yours? Where's the squeaker, Aaron? Can I see that baby?
Usually if you, if you squeak it for him, then he'll know where it is and he'll start squeaking it. But he doesn't want you to get near it.
Can I show you where the squeaker is, Aaron? Let me show you where the squeaker is. Let me show you where the squeaker is. I found the squeaker.
That is not good.
I found the squeaker.
Calm down, Aaron.
Okay, enjoy your baby.